Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I do this daily YouTube video summarizer that summarizes YouTube video daily based on how you schedule the AI. So here you can see the YouTube video just being summarized. So this one is the title of the YouTube video and the YouTube link. And here's all the summary video content. It will structure perfectly from the AI. So right now let's choose another video to summarize daily. So here we copy the channel ID and then I'm going to paste it right here. And I'll set the schedule time to 24 hours. So here you can see there's one YouTube video. So let's run through the workflow. So here you can see the video just being summarized. This is a video title and the YouTube link of the video. Also entire summary of the content, and everything is structured perfectly, very easy to see, and the conclusion at the end of the part. So right now let's test to summarize a video. So I can just straight away type, "Hi, help me summarize this video in English." So you can tell the AI bot to summarize in whatever language you want, in English, in Chinese, or in Spanish, whatever you want. So the same thing, the title and the YouTube video just being summarized, and the entire content is stated right over here. So the upper part is this YouTube video summarizer, which is a conversation one-to-one, and daily YouTube video summarizer, which is triggered by the schedule, whatever time you want to set. So in this case, I'm triggered based on every single 12 hours. So how I do it is, you need to get the YouTube video. So let me show an example. Let me back up this. So if you want to summarize a channel, for example, I take this BBC News as an example. You press this more and then go down to the bottom and press this share channel. So here you can see copy channel ID. You press this copy channel ID and you can paste it right here. Then this publish after is, it checks whether the channel had uploaded a YouTube video after this time. So here you can set a time, what time you want it to check. So for example, I can select maybe 24th. So you can see BBC News has uploaded 15 videos. Okay, let me take back this example because BBC News put too much video. So you can see this channel uploads 2 videos. Okay, so it's the same process, copy and paste the same process. This main summarizer of the AI, you put the instruction, summarize this video in what language. Okay, then how the YouTube video link is generated, you need to set this http://youtube.com watch TV and this link, and then behind that you need to pull the video ID inside right here. Okay, inside here. So this is how you get the YouTube link. You need to have the YouTube link so the AI can summarize it for you. And then the same prompt, and then go through the same process, and boom, this is how it sends back to the Telegram. So this is the structure of how it's summarized. So first the Telegram trigger from here, and then set the input. So I set chat ID and the chat input. Let me just copy this to editor so better to explain it. And this is the summarized video agent. Here I put the chat input right here, just straight away put of the user chat input, and this is a prompt. So it's very short. I just tell him to get the YouTube link from user and help them summarize the video. So after getting the YouTube video link, call this summarize tool to generate summarize YouTube link. So it summarizes the YouTube. It's not inside this agent, it's inside the tool to summarize. Okay, later I'll show you. And the rules, okay, only speak in English, Chinese, because I only want these 2 languages. And you must include the title and URL at the top. So this is the execute. I include the YouTube link and summarize and chat ID. Okay, so analyze. So this summarize is from the Google Gemini API. So I basically call this API to summarize content, and you can see the JSON body here. Okay, this is the instruction and the file URL, the YouTube link. After that, put inside and return back to the main AI agent. After that, I have this AI agent, which is job to format the output from the main AI agent. So you can see here's the structure rules. So if you don't structure, it will look very difficult to see all the summarized content. So the main message will break it down to sub message. So each sub message the maximum number of character is 600 words. Okay, so I use this ask this AI formatter AI agent to use this split to split the message. Okay, and this is some structure rules. And here, this part is where it breaks it down to multiple message. So here, this code, you can take a look. This code breaks the main text message to based on the split which generated by the formatter AI agent. It will breaks it down to text 1 and text 2, okay, to multiple text, and it will send it out lah.